Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session, let's learn standard deviation functions. So let's get started. We know that standard deviation measures how far a typical observation is from the average of the data. Based on this concept, we have two functions in Excel. First, we have stdev.p function, which is a built-in function which calculates the standard deviation for the entire population. This function ignores cells with text and logic. Next, we have stdev.s function. This function calculates the standard deviation for a sample. Let's consider this simple data where we have column name which contains item name, type column which is indicating whether the item is fruit or vegetable, then count column contains count of each item, price column contains price of item, and we have standard deviation column where we'll calculate and display the result now. Let's perform stdev.p function. To do that, type is equals to stdev.p of d2 is to d12. Type the range which you want to calculate and enter. The result will be displayed, that is 190.299. Likewise, to calculate stdev.s, let's use same equation but change this p to s and enter. As you can see, the result is changed, that is 199.587. So this is how the standard deviation calculation is performed using these two functions in Excel. So this was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.